Hey guys, this is Anku. So today I'll be going to teach you about how you can resolve a merge conflict in a Git. All right. So I have taken an example where I have created an interview question branch. All right. So I am trying to add a question uh, in this questions.md file, and we'll try to push it to the master branch by raising a PR. Okay. So all right. So in this process, I'll just simply create a dummy question, like irrelevant of the content. So I'll say uh, learning how to resolve the merge conflict. Okay, so I'll create a PR for this. So these are the simple steps that we follow to create a PR. So first we'll check for any modified file. Yes, we have modified this one. So either we can use git add the file name, or we can add use dot to add the file which we want to push it on the GitHub. So we'll say the next one will be adding a commit message. Git commit minus m, then added a new question. After that, I'll push this commit to the GitHub. Git push origin and the branch name. So once this commit has been pushed, we'll raise a PR from the Git. So I'll refresh my screen and I'll switch to interview question branch. So there I will see we can generate a PR for this. So if you see, we are getting a merge conflict. Okay, so there are like what basically this merge conflict is. So this merge conflict can be due to like let's say we are trying to add a question on line 14, but like the same time someone else can also work on this repository. So that person already have added his or her question on line 14. So there would be a clash while merging this, because that person has already added the question line 14, and after that you are also trying to do so. So this would like git won't accept it like this way. So what you need to do is you need to resolve this conflict. There are two ways: either you can use this button resolve conflict to resolve the conflicts, or the other way would be uh, you can rebase it. Okay, so I'm going to teach you another method. So first we'll see what are the conflicts that we are getting. Okay, so if we see, as I've already told you, we were trying to add our own question, which is learning how to resolve the merge conflict. But someone has already added the question number two, and you can see the question there are already added three or four questions. Okay, so to avoid this, what you can do is uh, I'll teach you. So you need to follow these simple steps to resolve the merge conflicts. All right. I have a tool called Git extension. I mean, this helps you in uh, visualizing the basically the best structure of how the git repository is. Okay, so as you see, I am currently on interview question branch, and if you see, I want to merge this interview question commit to this master one. Okay, so as you can see, this is already behind one two three four commits. Okay, so we need to bring this interview question branch on top of master branch, so that our interview question branch have the latest changes. In order to do so, what we can do is we can rebase it using git rebase command. So first you need to make sure that you have the latest code for master branch. So first we'll go check out to the master branch and we'll pull the latest one using git pull origin master. So this will fetch us the latest code. After that, we'll switch to our branch from which we are trying to raise the PR, which is interview question. Okay, so now focus on these commands. So git rebase and our branch name on what we are trying to rebase, which is the master. Git rebase master. So as you can see, it fetches us all the basically the conflicts that we are getting while trying to merge. So this thing is visible. Like I'm using the Visual Studio Code, so you can also use the same. As you can see, after rebasing we are seeing two like this kind of an interface. So this contains our code, like we added this question and the latest code from the master branch. So you need to edit it manually to resolve these conflicts. Okay, so what best way would be, like since this is small change, as you know, question 2 3 4 and already there, and your question is already there, so you can accept both the changes. Okay, and after accepting it, all you need to do is you need to format it the way as these questions were. So for example, you can do it like this. Since this code is duplicate, you can remove this and add your question after this. So you can add it along with it, like question number 5. Okay. Since now you have resolved the merge conflicts, now you can see you don't see any highlighted part as we were seeing earlier. So the next steps would be to push the changes again to the PR, to the existing PR. So to do that, first we'll check whether we have modified the existing repository. Yes, we have modified it. We'll check it using git status command. As you can see, we have modified questions.md. All right. So after that, you need to use git add dot to add the modified files, and then git rebase hyphen hyphen continue to continue the rebase, so that it will check if there are any other merge conflicts present. Luckily, we don't have any other merge conflicts, so we can now push this change to the interview question branch. So remember, we need to do a force push because we are trying to modify the existing commit. So now we'll head over to interview question branch and we'll see our PR. So as you can see, we don't have any merge conflicts. So that was it, guys, regarding resolving the merge conflict.